Guided meditation for relaxation, healing, and regaining vital energy. Welcome and thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. This session is designed to help you relax deeply, heal your body and mind, and reconnect with your vital energy. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Let the outside world fade away as you turn your attention inward. Let's do some grounding and centering now. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand as you fill your lungs with air. Hold the breath for a moment. Now, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Let's repeat this 2 more times, inhaling deeply, holding and exhaling slowly. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension from your body. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your body soften. Picture yourself as a strong tree with roots growing deep into the earth, anchoring you firmly. Sense the stability and support of the earth beneath you. Feel a sense of grounding, as if the earth's energy is flowing up through your roots, filling your body with calm and steady strength. Now, let's do a body scan and relaxation. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension or tightness. As you breathe out, imagine that tension melting away. Move your focus down to your forehead, eyes, and cheeks. Allow these areas to soften. Shift your attention to your neck and shoulders. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently melting away any heaviness or stress. Continue this process, moving down your arms, hands, and fingers, feeling them relax completely. Bring your focus to your chest and heart center. Breathe deeply into this area, and as you exhale, release any emotional tension. Move your attention to your abdomen, allowing it to soften with each breath. Remember to breathe. Feel the relaxation spreading through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, and finally your feet. Visualize your entire body bathed in a warm, healing light, completely at ease and at peace. Let's do chakra alignment and energy activation. Now, we'll focus our energy centers on chakras to resolve balance and vitality. Start at the base of your spine, your root chakra. Visualize a glowing red light spinning steadily. Feel its energy grounding you, providing security and stability. Move up to your sacral chakra, located just below your navel. See a vibrant orange light spinning here. This is the center of creativity and emotion. Imagine it radiating warmth and flow. Next, focus on your solar plexus chakra above your navel. Visualize a bright yellow light here, like the sun. Feel its energy empowering you with confidence and personal strength. Now, shift your attention to your heart chakra at the center of your chest. See a green light, vibrant and healing. Feel it expand, filling you with love and compassion for yourself and others. Let's move to your throat chakra. At your throat, visualize a clear blue light spinning steadily. This is your center of communication and expression. Feel it open and balanced. Focus now on your third eye chakra between your eyebrows. See an indigo light glowing brightly. This is your center of intuition and insight. Trust the wisdom it provides. Finally, bring your attention to the crown chakra at the top of your head. Visualize a violet or white light connecting you to the universe. Feel the flow of divine energy entering through the center, filling you with peace and enlightenment. Now, let's do visualization for healing and vitality. Imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting. Perhaps you are in a lush forest by a tranquil lake or on a peaceful beach. Feel the environment around you, the gentle breeze, the warmth of the sun, or the coolness of the water. Visualize a beam of golden light descending from above, entering through your crown chakra. This light is pure, healing energy. See it flowing through your entire body, cleansing every cell and dissolving any negativity. As this light moves, it fills your energy centers, restoring balance and vitality. Feel its warmth and healing touch, revitalizing you, filling you with life and purpose. Let's move on to mindfulness and imagination now. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice your breath, your body, and the sensations around you. Imagine your mind as a calm, clear sky. Any thoughts that arise are like passing clouds. Acknowledge them and let them drift away. Visualize your life filled with vibrant energy and joy. See yourself radiating health, confidence, and peace. Hold on to this image, allowing it to anchor in your mind. Now take a few deep breaths, bringing your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Now, take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for taking this time, to the earth for its support, and to the universe for its endless energy. Carry this sense of relaxation, healing, and vitality with you as you go about your day. And thank you for allowing me to guide you in this meditation. Namaste.